Hello students, welcome to this video. In the previous videos, you have learned a few things about fractions, such that equivalent fractions, reducing a fraction, like and unlike fractions, comparing the fractions, insert a fraction between two given fractions. So today, in this video, we shall discuss on operations on fraction, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and off. So let's go for some problems. So problem number 1, reduce 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So let us write 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So this is equals to, now we will write the LCM of 2 and 3. Now LCM of 2 and 3 is equals to 6. So that is why we write 6 over here. Now 2 into 3 is 6, and here in the numerator it is 1. So we will write 1. Now this plus comes here. Then 3 into 2 is 6 multiplied by this numerator, that is 2. Okay. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 6. It is 7 by 6. So this is the way we will follow to add to fraction. Now we can convert it into a mixed fraction, that is, this is 1 whole 1 by 6. Now let's go for another problem. This problem says reduce 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. That is, we have to subtract. Okay. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? The LCM of 3 and 6 equals to 6. So let us write 6. Now 3 into 2 is 6. So multiplied by these two, this minus sign will come here, and 6 into 1, and this one is here now. So 4 and minus 1 by 6. It is 3 by 6. So it is 2. That is 1 by 2 is the answer. Let's go for problem number 3. Here reduce 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 12. So we have to find the LCM of 4, 6 and 12. So I have found the LCM. I hope you know how to find LCM. Still I have done it here. Now we shall write it here, this LCM. Now 4 into 3 is 12. So this one will come here. So this plus sign will come here. Now 6 into 2. So this 5 will come here. Now for this 12, so before you write something for this fraction, I will write minus sign, because this minus sign will come here. Now 12 into 1 is 12. Now this 1 will come here. Okay. Now 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 into 5 is 10 minus 1 divided by 12. So this is equals to 13 minus 1 by 12. It is 12 by 12, that equals to 1. Let's go for problem number 4. Okay, in this problem we have two mixed fractions. There is 3 whole 3 by 4 and 1 whole 1 by 5, and we have to multiply them. So before we proceed, we have to convert it into a simple that means improper fraction. So that is, this is 3 whole 3 by 4 is 15 by 4, and this is 6 by 5. So we can divide 15 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. At 6 and 4, we can divide 6 and 4 by 2. So 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So this is equals to, so see, this 3 is left in the numerator, this 3 is left in the numerator, and this 2 is left in the denominator. So we cannot proceed more. That is why 3 into 3 divided by 2, it is 9 by 2 is the answer. So we can convert it into mixed fraction, that is, this can be said that 4 whole 1 by 2. Okay. Problem number 5 says that simplify 4 by 15 divided by 2 by 3. Now for this case, we will write 4 by 15 multiplied by this 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. So this division sign will be converted into multiplication sign, and this 2 by 3 will take the reciprocal of this number, that is 3 by 2. So let's then multiply then. So here 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, and this is 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. So in the numerator it is 2 and 1, and in the denominator it is 5 and 1. So this will be 2 into 1 by 5 into 1. So basically it is 2 by 5, and it is the answer. Okay, in this problem division and multiplication both are there, but by the rules of BODMAS, so we know that division comes first and multiplication comes later. So that is why we will go for division first, then the result will be multiplied by 1 by 3. So let's go for the solution. This is 2 whole 1 by 4. Let's convert it into improper fraction, that is 2 whole 1 by 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 into 1 by 3. Now this is 9 by 4. This is division, so we will do this first. So 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 7. So this division sign will be converted into multiplication sign, and this 1 by 7 will be 7 by 1. Now multiplied by 1 by 3. So this result will be multiplied by 1 by 3. So 9 into 7. So we cannot go for any further calculation. That is why we will write 63 by 4 into 1 by 3. So 63 and 3. So this is 3 ones are, and this is 21. So this is 21 by 4. So 21 by 4, let us convert it into mixed fraction. So it will be 5 whole 1 by 4, and this is the result. So here in this problem, this multiplication, division, multiplication. So we know by BODMAS rule, division comes first, then multiplication. So we will go for the division first, then we will think about the others. So this is 1 by 3. So let us convert it into improper fraction first, then we will proceed. So this is 14 by 3 divided by, this is 7 by 2, and it is 1 by 2. Now this operation will be done first. So this is 14 by 3 into, this division sign has become multiplication, and this 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7 into 1 by 2. Now 1 by 3 into, so this is 14, 7 2s are, 7 1s are. So 2 into 2. So in the numerator it is 2, it is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4, and this is 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, so this is 4. So this 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So in the numerator there is 1 2 1. So that means 2, because 1 into 2 and 2 into 1, this is 2, and in the denominator it is 3 and 3, that is 9, and here it is the answer. So let's go for problem number 8. Here 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Here three things are mentioned of multiplication and division. Now by BODMAS rule, of comes in front of division. So let's go for of first. So 2. Now I will tell you that of means nothing but multiplication. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, and we will do it first. So that is why I have just kept it in the bracket. So now rest of it divided by 2 by 3. So this is nothing but 3 by 8. Now into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Now let me tell you, here multiplication and division are left. So that is why division will be done first. So 3 by 8 into, so 1 by 2, this division will become multiplication, and this 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2. So this is again nothing to do here. So that is why in the numerator it is 3 1 3. So we cannot divide anything. There is no common divisor, for the numerator and the denominator. So that is why let us keep it as 3 into 3, and in the denominator it is 2 into 2 into 8. So this is 9 divided by 2 into 2 4, 4 into 8 32, and this is the answer. Hope you have understood this video. In the next video we shall solve some word problems based on these. So thank you for watching this video.